In this video, we'll talk about international students, the future of students under the Biden administration. As you know, Trump attacked international students heavily with many rules and regulations, and we hope for better days ahead. So, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the other side. Hello YouTube friends. In this video, we'll talk about international students and their ability to stay and work in the United States after graduation. As you know, under this administration, it's become very difficult for students not only to come to the United States, but also to be able to graduate and work with these increasing changes to the student visa rules and regulations. So we'll explore a little bit of that and what will happen under the Biden administration, how it's going to be able to help students not only to come here, but also to be able to work after graduation. Before that, if you're here for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel, click this bell to be notified for any new videos that will come every single week, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to share this video with more people just like you. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I'm helping clients in all 50 states. So let's dive right in. When it comes to international students, it's quite a sensitive area for me personally because I was an international student myself. I was an F1 student back in the day when I came here to do my law school, and I knew that when I graduated, I wanted to be able to live and work in the United States, and the options that I had back then were much more flexible, not only having the OPT, but also being able to find a job while in school, working off campus, and many options that are becoming very limited these days. The Trump administration essentially made it almost a priority to put a wall between international students coming to the United States and their ability to work and earn a living here. After all, the goal of every international student is put to practice what they learn and be able to get a job and work in the United States. Take a look at the recent rules that came out of Department of Labor and USCIS when it comes to H-1B workers, making the barrier for salaries so high that new students that just graduating from universities would make it almost impossible for them to find jobs. These are clear attacks directly focused on international students. And while there were options for international students to try to apply for work permits because of unforeseen circumstances during the pandemic, those work permits were not getting approved in high numbers. We've seen quite a few of these students not getting their EADs approved, even though they were able to prove that they were under severe hardship and they needed to work to be able to survive while going to school. All these actions coming from the government just show that they clearly have no interest in students being able to work in the United States after graduating. Essentially, they're pouring their money into universities in the United States, but this administration is refusing to allow them to be able to work as well. According to a recent survey of international students across the United States, more than 60% of international students stated that their main interest is to be able to work after graduation. Trump's executive orders in the past few months focusing against students didn't help bring more confidence to international students that are going to be able to thrive in the US after graduation. On the contrary, most students feel that this administration is attacking students and blocking their entry to the United States every single day. And the final blow is a recent rule, which the comment period just ended recently, on a rule proposed by this administration to limit the amount of time students can actually stay in the US after graduation. This rule is opposed by all universities across the US, and for the moment we don't know what's going to be the future with this rule. Hopefully under Biden it's going to be reversed. Essentially, what this administration has done is create uncertainty among students whether they can actually work and stay in the United States after graduation. This is a perfect way to reduce the number of international students coming to the United States. In fact, this is already happening. Less and less students are interested in coming to the United States because of the harsh rules. What we hope Biden is going to do is not only reverse all these orders that this administration started to implement, but create a process where students not only can be able to work and stay in the United States longer, but also attract the best and the brightest from all over the world like we used to, and allow them not only to graduate, but also get jobs in the US that will contribute to our economy, innovation, and the success of this country as a whole. Overall, we're hoping that the Biden administration is going to take a look at the student visa program and understand that it's a great opportunity to bring innovation and talent to the United States. The new administration should look at students as a force for innovation, not competition. They're coming to help us accelerate our economy, create more jobs, and make the future even brighter. I was an international student one day, and I remember that for me, coming to the United States, it was a welcoming country, and going through the whole F1 visa student was a great experience. I hope that the future students are going to be able to get the same opportunity under this new administration. Overall, international students are great for the United States, and we hope that Biden and his administration are going to see it that way and make this process smoother and easier for students to come here, be able to stay and work in this country. Let me know what you think in the comments. Post your comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. So if you like this video, these two videos have more information just like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.